Welcome back to the Viezu workshop. I'm James, and today in our workshop we've got this Jaguar F-Type P450. Now this Jaguar has actually been to us before for one of our coveted Viezu performance remaps, but today it's here to have fitted one of our Paramount Performance exhaust kits. Before we get into any of the upgrades, let's find out exactly what this roaring V8 Jaguar sounds like now. Now that sounds pretty fantastic, but we know that the Paramount Performance exhaust system sounds even better. So it's time to hand this car over to our workshop team. So the old exhaust system is off and we're just about ready to start fitting the new one. And there's a massive difference in weight between these two. The stock one weighs 28.1 kilograms and our Paramount Performance exhaust system weighs just 19.5 kilograms. So that's a saving of 8.5 kilograms overall. Made exclusively for Paramount Performance, this catback system is currently the only product on the market for the V8 Jaguar F-Type, which has valve controls using the car's existing car controls. This stainless steel performance exhaust system not only looks great and sounds incredible too, but it comes with a lifetime corrosion warranty. So we've fitted the new exhaust system and it's time to find out exactly what that Paramount Performance V8 Jaguar exhaust now sounds like. As promised, that sounds absolutely fantastic, and if you've got a Jag that's ready for a Paramount Performance exhaust system too, or any upgrade from Viezu, give us a call on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com.